Hello everyone. We'll talk about the role of Parsis in India, the historical relations, and how things have evolved. So Parsis they follow the Zoroastrian religion, and Parsis we see that they are one of the world's oldest religious community, where they where it was founded by the prophet Zoroaster. So this was in ancient Persia, which is present day Iran. So the people migrated to India around 8th and 10th centuries CE to escape the religious persecution in Persia because of the Arab conquest. And as per 2011 census, we have 57,000 Parsis population in India. Challenges, we are seeing a declining trend due to low birth rate, late marriages, and emigration also. So they are majorly concentrated in Mumbai and parts of Gujarat, also like in Surat and Navsari. Apart from this, we see that in terms of cultural, religious practices, they follow the sacred text of Avesta. And places of worship are known as fire temples, where we see कि एक sacred fire रखा होता है अंदर which keeps on burning perpetually. And also distinct rituals. They are known for their distinct religious rituals, which includes Navjot, which is the initiation ceremony, and the Tower of Silence, which is for their funerary practices. And in India also, we see that Parsi New Year is celebrated, which is known as the Navroz. In terms of the historical contributions and economic development in India, we see economic contribution made like the important families or the big corporates like Tatas, Godrej, Vadias, they are again coming from the Parsi community. And even during the colonial era, we see that they played important role in trade, industry, and philanthropy. In terms of social reforms, they have contributed to women rights and social progress in India. And even during the freedom struggle, important personalities and freedom fighters included Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, and Bhikaji Kama. They've contributed significantly to India's independence movement. And the challenges recently we see that they're facing declining population because of low fertility rates and preference for late marriages. Intermarriage restrictions are there as a part of their religion and the culture. So traditional norms they disallow the children of Parsi women married to non-Parsis. And cultural preservation somewhere has become a challenge in terms of the maintaining their population or increasing their population number.